Hello everyone, how about you? Today in this video I am going to explain to you which are the best foods for gastritis. Before the start video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The term gastritis refers to any condition that involves inflammation of the stomach lining. Eating certain foods and avoiding others can help people manage their symptoms of gastritis. Gastritis can be acute or chronic. Acute gastritis comes on suddenly and severely, while chronic gastritis lasts for a longer duration. Different types of gastritis are caused by different factors. Symptoms include indigestion, abdominal pain, nausea, and feeling full. For most people, gastritis is minor and will go away quickly after treatment. However, some forms of gastritis can produce ulcers or increase the risk of cancer. Diet is an important player in your digestive health and overall health. Following a gastritis-friendly diet can go a long way towards relieving your symptoms and helping you feel better. What to eat on a gastritis diet? Some foods may help manage your gastritis and lessen the symptoms. Diet does not generally cause chronic gastritis, but eating some foods can make the symptoms worse. These may include fried, spicy, and highly acidic foods. Some people find that the following foods and drinks help ease symptoms of gastritis. The first one is high-fiber foods, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and beans. The second one is low-fat foods, such as fish, lean meats, and vegetables. The third one is foods with low acidity, including vegetables and beans. Fourth one is non-carbonated drinks. Always try to get caffeine-free drinks. Okay, I think you have a better idea about the best food for gastritis. In my next video, I will explain to you which are the avoid foods for gastritis. If you have any question, please comment it on my comment section. Thank you.